So I'm at the beach, guys. Yeah, look at Jack mugging the HUD, you know me. So we're going to Wawa right now, and then after we're going to the beach, I'm gonna record some videos for you guys, and then I think we're gonna hit the gym maybe today as well, and I'm for sure gonna fucking record that. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. So I just got back from Wawa. I got a hoagie turkey bacon applewood sandwich, bro. It is fire. Yesterday I got it. They put salami instead of turkey. Like, how the you put salami instead of turkey when salami's red and turkey's white? Fuck you, Wawa, but now it tastes good, so I'm happy, bro. Going to the beach, we got the chairs with the Chad Marsala back here. Oh, mogging the beach hard as fuck.
It's time to survive. Yeah.
All right, just got out the water. Probably gonna make some food and figure out when I'm going to the gym and what I'm hitting. So, sick ass beach day, bro. Fun as hell. Mogging the beach. I got so much sand in my eyes. Even over my eyes.
I don't know if next is a restaurant, but Greta
I'm getting that. I'm landing that.
has little bites on her. Maggie has
Oh my god.
along her. Yes.
So I'm hungry as shit and I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna cope with drinking as much water as I can to fill me up as much as possible, and then I'm gonna have a real meal later. So all right, so I'm about to go to the gym and I'm putting on some sweats because I have small calves and I hate having small calves. I'm gonna be wearing a Controlled Insanity shirt. Use code BRA. I'm just kidding. I wish, bro. Controlled, sponsor me. I'm a fucking bodybuilder. I'm 15. I'm the biggest 15-year-old. Sponsor me, please. Bro, even my shirt smells like Zal. Oh no. Dude, I got a problem, bro. Fuck. Biggest 15-year-old smokes up. Bro. Dude, I have too high test. Everything smells, bro. Oh my, bro. Young LA sponsor me as well. Like, I want 2 sponsorships, Controlled and Young LA, you know? Because I feel like I match the retard maxing of the Young LA, fucking degen maxing, but also I'm also locked the fuck in with Controlled, you know? I love the gym. This is my passion, bro. I would quit everything in a second just to work out and be as healthy as I can to preserve my longevity in the sport. But right now, I'm a young buck. It doesn't matter what I do to my body. All right, guys, so I'm carving up before the gym. Wait, shit. All right, guys, so I'm carving up with some granola bars, and I'm gonna see if I can one bite 2 whole granola bars. Where's my other one? Okay, so this is number 1. This is gonna be phenomenal. I think this is gonna be the most impressive thing biggest 15-year-old has ever done. Okay. 2 whole granola bars down the hatch. Ah. Oh shit. Alright guys, so I successfully beat the challenge, so now I'm allowed to go to the gym. Oh fucking yeah! Made it to the gym. I got $20 for a day pass. Sure, got a big gorilla. It's gym, $25 for a day pass, my ass bitch. Holy So we're gonna find a better gym for cheaper, you know, because $25 and they don't even accept Apple Pay. What a dumb gym. So we're gonna try to find a better gym because $25 for a day pass is actually ridiculous. It's literally 25 bucks for my membership each month. Why would I pay 25 to work out once and they don't even accept Apple Pay? That's the worst part of that gym. What's it called? It's called Outer Banks Fitness, some shit. So I made it to the YMCA. All right, well, it's gonna be a fire workout. Sam Slolik makes it do, we'll make it do.
Have you ever been here?
It's the quickest way I can. A-L-A.
Yep. I can't work out at the YMCA because I'm 15 and I'm a bodybuilder, but it's whatever. So, dude, the Outer Banks blows for ass for working out. Actually, blows shit, dick, pussy shit, shit, dick. They deny me to work out. I'm gonna flex on their home turf, pussy. Yeah, I hope she likes the view, bro. We're gonna find another gym that actually will let me work out, so let's do it. Fuck! Oh my fucking god! What the fuck? He's fucking retarded, dude. He says, oh yeah, the gym's gonna close in a hour, and we go to get our membership, and this fuck says that you have to be 18, dude. Back at the original gym that I didn't have Apple Pay for, but I got my card on me, so I'm just gonna buy a little 25 bucks, waste money because I'm a dumbass. This is actually like one of the best gyms I've ever been to. Outer Banks Fitness Factory in Outer Banks. Taking a piss, right? Holy dude, I'm gonna this. Come on, come on. Holy fuck. The biggest 15-year-old steps in.
What's up, bro?
Jeez, come on, bro. All right, so that was good enough posing for me. Like, I feel like I'm looking pretty good. Holy shit, my back. But now we're gonna head back home to the B&B and figure out what we're doing. Probably gonna feast on some Italian cuisines. So we just like left the gym and I was drinking water and I felt like my blood was thickening. It was very weird. Something that only naturals, something only natties have happening to them. So, because I'm natural. And I don't even think I'm gonna go to these graduation parties because like, it's not even like that. I'm tempted to drink. I just don't like associating myself with a bunch of dumbasses that are drunk and stuttering their words and like fucking retards, you know? So like, I don't know. Every single time that I've ever drank in my life, the next morning I wasn't proud of myself. So I kind of just put that into like who I want to surround myself with, because if you guys are doing that every fucking week, probably not the best person to be around, because my goal is kind of outweigh, you know, just drinking and partying like degenerates, you know, like I have so much more going on than fucking wanting to just grab a drink, hang out, just fucking forget about everything, dude. I don't want to forget about everything. I want to fucking remember everything. Literally, like, I just want to be the biggest human possible, and it just, if that means no drinking, no fucking drinking, I guess, you know? It's literally, drinking is like the worst thing you can do to lower your fucking test, kill your gains. It is very bad. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm back in PA, so you guys are gonna get videos regularly again. And yeah, like the video, subscribe if you enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.